How to solve? If the sum of first seven term, that is 49, that means S7 that is equal to 49, and the 17th term S17 that is equal to 289, and S17 is equal to 289. What to find? The sum of first n term. Find the value of Sn is equal to question mark. Okay. Here Sn is equal to S7 is equal to 49. Therefore, formula of Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put n is equal to 7. Therefore, S7 is equal to 7 by 2, 2a, 7 minus 1, that is 6d. S7 value is 49, that is equal to 7 by 2, 2 is common, 2 is common, into bracket a plus 3d. 2, 2 cancel, and 49, 7e is in division form. Therefore, a plus 3d is equal to 49 by 7. Therefore, a plus 3d is equal to 7. 7 7 is 49. That is a resulting value 1. Similarly, for S17, S17 is equal to 17 by 2. Put n is equal to 7 in this form. N is equal to 17. S17 is equal to 17 by 2. 2a plus 17 minus 1. That is equal to 16d. S17 value is 289. 17 by 2 and 2 is common. A plus 6d. Here 2 2 is cut. Here 2 2 is cut. Therefore, 289 divided by 17 is equal to a plus 6d. Therefore, a plus 6d that is equal to 17, and 17 17s are 289, because 289 is a 17 square. That is the resulting value. Find the value of a and d solved by elimination method of equation 1 and equation 2. Here a plus 3d that is equal to 7, equation 1. Substituting them, subtract them. So a minus a is 0, 6d minus 3d that is 3d, and that is equal to, that is, sorry, a 8d, a plus 8d. 8d minus 3d that is equal to 5d, and 5d that is equal to 10. Therefore, d is equal to 5. D is equal to 5 in this form. D is equal to 10. 10 divided by 5, that is d is equal to 2. Therefore, d is equal to 2 in equation 1. Okay. D is equal to 2 in equation 1. A plus 3d is equal to 7 at d is equal to 2. Therefore, a plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. Therefore, value of a is equal to 1. Value of a is equal to 1. Okay. And find the value of Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2. Put this value, a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2. A is equal to 1, 2 into 1, n minus 1, d is equal to 2. That is equal to n by 2, 2 ones are 2, plus 2n minus 2. And plus 2 minus 2 cancel. That is equal to n by 2 into 2n. 2 2 cut. N into n, that is equal to n square. Therefore, sum of first n term. Therefore, the sum of first n term, that is equal to n square. Sum of first n terms Sn, that is equal to n square, and that is the final answer. That is the final answer. Okay. Question number 10. So that A1, A2, A3 up to AN forms an AP where AN is defined as AN is equal to 3 plus 4N, and find the sum of first 15th term, means S15. Here AN is given, and find the sum of first 15 term, that means S15. Let N is equal to 1. Let N is equal to 1, therefore A1, that is equal to A, that is equal to 3 plus 4N, 4 into 1. So 3 plus 4 1 is 4, that is equal to 7. So put N is equal to 1, then find the value of A1, otherwise A. Therefore A is equal to 7. Second, let N is equal to 2. Therefore A2 is equal to A plus D. Okay, A2 is equal to A plus D. N is equal to 2. That is 3 plus 4 into 2. 3 plus 4 2 is 8. That is 11. Therefore, second term is 11. Second term, that means A plus D is 11. A plus D is equal to 11. Therefore, A2 is equal to A plus D is equal to 11. But A is equal to 7. Therefore, 7 plus D is equal to 11. Therefore, D is equal to 11 minus 7, that is equal to 4. डायरेक्ट भी यहां से पता चलता है. What is the coefficient of N? N is 4 plus 4. Therefore, D is equal to plus 4. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन से ही पता चल जाता है. N is coefficient of N is positive 4. Therefore, difference is equal to 4. Okay. And here A and D is A is equal to 7, D is equal to 4. Put this value in Sn form, and N is equal to first 15 terms. Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. At N is equal to 15 for sum of first 15 terms. A is equal to 7 and D is equal to 4. Put this value A, N and D in this form. Therefore, S15 is equal to 15 by 2, 2 into A, 2 into 7. 15, N is equal to 15, 15 minus 1, 14, and D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4. That is equal to 15 by 2 as it is. 7 2 is 14 plus 14 4 is 56. 14 4 is 56. Therefore, 14 plus 56, that is 70. 70. 15 into 70 divided by 2, that is 35. And 15 into 35, that is equal to 525. 350 plus 175, that is equal to 525. Therefore, the sum of first 15 terms of an AP, that is equal to 5 to 5. Okay. Let N is equal to 1 in AN. Here AN is equal to 9 minus 5N. AN, that is equal to A1, that is equal to A, that is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1, and 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. Therefore, value of A is equal to 4. Here coefficient of N is negative 5. Therefore, common difference is negative 5. Let N is equal to 2. Therefore, AN is equal to A2 and A2 is equal to A plus D. A2 is equal to A plus D. 9 minus 5 multiply 2 and 9 minus 10, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore, second term is minus 1. But second term is equal to A2 is equal to A plus D is equal to minus 1. But A is equal to 4. Therefore, 4 plus D is equal to minus 1. Therefore, D is equal to negative 1, negative 4. Therefore, D is equal to negative 5. And A is equal to 4. Put this value in Sn formula because we find the value of sum of first 15 terms. Therefore, Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. At n is equal to 15, a is equal to 4 and d is equal to negative 5. Therefore, S15 is equal to 15 by 2, 2 into a is equal to 4. 15 minus 1, 14 and d is equal to negative 5. That is 15 by 2, 4 2s are 8, 15 5s are 14 5s are 70, minus 70. That is equal to 15 by 2 into minus 62, 31 2s are 62, that is 15 into negative 31, that is equal to negative 465. Therefore, the sum of first 15 terms of an AP is negative 465, and that is final answer. Here in this question, the sum of first n terms, Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. For to find what is the first term, that is S1. Find the first term S1, otherwise A1 is equal to A is question mark. What is the sum of first two terms? That means S2 is question mark. What is the second term? Second term, that means A2 is question mark. A2 is question mark. Find the third term. Similarly, A3, A10 and AN is also question mark. Okay. Here Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Put n is equal to 1. Let n is equal to 1. Therefore, Sn is equal to S1. That is equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 into 1, 4 minus 1 square 1. 4 minus 1, that is 3. Therefore, S1 is equal to A1 and that is equal to A. Therefore, A is equal to 3. Therefore, first term of an AP, A1 is equal to 3 and that is equal to A. Okay. Let n is equal to 2. Let n is equal to 2, that is S2. That is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 into 2, 8 minus 2 square is 4 and 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. What is the meaning of S2? S2 means sum of first two terms. What is the meaning of S2? S2 means sum of first two terms. Here S2 is equal to 4. S2 is equal to 4, there means sum of first two terms A1 plus A2 is equal to 4. What is A1? A1 means A. And what is A2? A2 means A plus D, that is equal to 4. A1 is equal to A, first term, and A2 is equal to some first two term. A plus D, that is A2. A2 means A plus D, that is equal to A1 plus A2 is equal to 4. A1 is equal to A and A2 is equal to A plus D. And that is equal to 4. What is the value of A? A value is equal to 3. Put value A is equal to 3. 3 plus D is equal to 4. Therefore, D is equal to 4 minus 6. Therefore, D is equal to negative 2. Okay. Therefore, D is equal to negative 2. Here the second term. Here find the second term. Sum of first two terms is S2. S2 is equal to 4. Okay. S2 is equal to 4. What is the second term? Second term means A2. And A2 is equal to A plus D. A is equal to 3 and D is equal to minus 2. And 3 minus 2, therefore A2 is equal to 1. And then find the third term, 10th term and the nth term. Third term, 10th term and nth term. Third term means A plus 2D. A is equal to 3 and D, 2 into D is equal to negative 2. That is 3 minus 4. Therefore, A3 is equal to negative 1. Therefore, third term is negative 1. Find the 10th term, A10. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. What is A? A is equal to 3 plus 9 into negative 2. 3 minus 18, 9 to the 18. Therefore, 10th term is negative 15. Similarly, for find the nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. What is A? A is equal to 3, n minus 1 and D is equal to negative 2. That is 3 minus 2n minus plus 2. Okay, therefore 5 minus 2n. Therefore an is equal to 5 minus 2n. And here nth term, that is equal to 5 minus 2n. First term is A. Common difference D is equal to negative 2. A2 is equal to 1. A3 is equal to negative 1. A10 is equal to negative 15 and an is equal to 5 minus 2n. ऐसा कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो Sn दिया है तो सबसे पहले n is equal to 1. Put let n is equal to 1, then find the value of A. Let n is equal to 2, then find the S2. And S2 means sum of first two term. A1 plus A2 is equal to 4. कोई भी क्वेश्चन है सबसे पहले ए और डी फाइंड कर देना. ए और डी फाइंड हो जाएगा, हम सब कुछ फाइंड कर सकते हैं उसके ऊपर से. ओके, क्लियर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. फाइंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 40 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर divisible by 6. First we find the divisible number by 6. Which of the number is divisible by 6? Let a positive integer which is divisible by 6 is 6, 12. 6 का टेबल लिखना. ओके, मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6. 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 6 3 जा 80, 6 3 जा 24 up to 40 terms. 6 into 40, 6 into 40, that is equal to 240. Okay, 6 into 40, that is equal to 240. Clear? Okay, therefore the given AP, the AP is 6, 12, 18, 24 up to 240. And here A is equal to 6. A is equal to 6. D is equal to multiple of 6, that is 12 minus 6, A2 minus A1, that is always 6. Okay, and N is equal to number of terms first to 40 positive integer, that means N is equal to 40. Okay, therefore N is equal to 40. Put this value in Sn formula. N by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, otherwise n by 2 2a plus n. Okay, n by 2 a plus n में भी हम वैल्यू रख सकते हैं. At n is equal to 40, 40 by 2, 2 into a is equal to 6 and 40 minus 1, that is 39, and d is equal to 6. And 40 by 2, that is equal to 20. 6 2s are 12. 39 6 are 234. And 234 plus 12. 234 plus 12, that is 246. And 246 into 2, that is 492. And 0, that is equal to 4920. Therefore, the first 40 positive integer divisible by 6 is equal to 4920. Is equal to 4920. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. First we find the multiples of 8. The first 15 multiples of 8 are 8 15 के multiples. First 15 multiples of 8. So 8 starting with 8. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24 up to 15 8 जा 120. Therefore the given AP is 8, 16, 24 up to 120. Here A is equal to 8. Okay. What is the D? 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8. What is number of terms? N is equal to 15. And what is last term? Last term is AL is equal to AN is equal to 120. Okay, last term AN, that is equal to L is equal to 120. Put this value in SN formula. SN is equal to N by 2A plus L. N by 2A plus L. Otherwise, SN is equal to N by 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Any formula. Apply any formula because first and last term is given. And at N is equal to 15 by 2. A is equal to 8. And last term is 120. 15 by 2 into 128. 128 by 2, that is 64. And 15 into 64, that is 32 by 30, that is 960. Therefore, the sum of first 15 multiples of 8 are 960. That is final answer. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 to 50. First we find the sequence, the odd numbers between 0 to 50, 0 and 15, between here. So not 0, 0 and 50 are not included in this sequence. Okay, and the odd numbers are starting from 1, 3, 5, 7 up to last number is 49. Therefore, the sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 49. Therefore, the given AP is 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 49. What is A? A is equal to first term, that is 1. D is equal to common difference, 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. And last term is AN. AN is equal to 49. What is the formula of AN? Then first we find the value of N. हमें पहले N find करना पड़ेगा. First, A plus N minus 1 into D, that is equal to AN, and that is equal to 49. Put this value A and D in this form. A is equal to 1. N minus 1 into 2 is equal to 49. Therefore, 2 into N minus 1 is equal to 49 minus 1. N minus 1 is equal to 48 divided by 2. N minus 1 is 24 and N is equal to 25. What is the sum? Total number of terms? Here total number of terms N is equal to 25. Therefore, here N is 25. Find the sum of first 25 term. Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus N, because last term is given. N is equal to 25, S 25, and 25 by 2 A plus L. A is equal to 1 and L is equal to 49. 25 by 2, 49 plus 1, that is 50, and 50 by 2, that is 25, and 25 into 25 that is 625. और हमने एक फॉर्मूला भी लिखी थी इसके आगे. The sum of first n odd number that is equal to n square, and here n is 25, that is 25 square. Here n is 30, that is 30 square. और even number हो तो n square plus n. If the sum of first n even numbers that is equal to n square plus n, otherwise n into n plus 1. Therefore, the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50 is equal to 625. That is final answer. Here, a contractor on construction job specify a penalty for delay the completion beyond a certain date as follows. एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है, उन्होंने काम किया है और जो वर्क डेट के हिसाब से डिले होगा, जितने दिन वर्क डिले होगा उसके ऊपर से पेनल्टी इंक्रीज होती है. ओके, ₹200 फॉर द फर्स्ट डे. फर्स्ट एक दिन लेट होगा काम तो उसको ₹200 पेनल्टी देनी पड़ेगी. ₹250 फॉर द सेकंड डे. फर्स्ट डे की पेनल्टी ₹200, सेकंड डे की पेनल्टी ₹250. थर्ड डे ₹300 फॉर द थर्ड डे. इस ₹50 इंक्रीज होता है. फर्स्ट डे 200 पेनल्टी, सेकंड डे 250, थर्ड डे ₹300. द पेनल्टी फॉर ईच सक्सीडिंग डे being ₹50 more, being ₹50 more. द प्रीसीडिंग डे, अगले दिन से नेक्स्ट डे की पेनल्टी कितनी इंक्रीज होती है? ₹50. How much money the contractor pay as the penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? अगर 30 days वर्क डिले होता है तो पेनल्टी कितनी उसको देनी पड़ेगी. ओके, so here the sequence is ₹200 for first day. Penalty for first day is ₹200. Second day for ₹250. थर्ड डे ₹350 अप टू 30 days. 30 days में कितनी पेनल्टी देनी पड़ेगी? Therefore, what is A? Here A is equal to 200. What is D? Common difference D is equal to 50 rupees. And number of days N is equal to 30 days. उसको 30 days में कितनी पेनल्टी पे करनी पड़ेगी? ओके, substitute the value A in SN formula. SN is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore, N is equal to 30. 30 by 2, 2A. A is equal to 200. 30 minus 1, that is 29, and D is equal to 50. ₹50 more. ₹50 more for the preceding days. 30 by 2, that is 15. 200 2s are 400 plus 29 into 5, that is 1450, and 15 into 1850. 40 50 plus 400, that is 1850 into 50. Therefore 0 as it is. 15 5 are 75. 7 120 plus 7 127. 12 15 plus 12 ₹12,750. Therefore, the contractor delay the work by 30 days. 30 days as to pay the penalty that is equal to ₹12,750. Okay, that is ₹12,750. 429. 29 5s are 145. 145 plus 4 Here 15 8 जा 120 plus 7, 127 plus 12, 15 1 जा 15 plus 12, 27,750 rupees. 27,750 rupees. Okay.